So hello guys, welcome to our channel Master in PLC. So today's topic is what is PLC. So start the lecture. It is the content of today's topic. First of all, we see definition of PLC. Second is purpose. Third is programming languages used in PLC. Fourth is input and output. Fifth, reliability. Sixth is flexibility. And seven is popular brands of PLC. So start today's topic. First of all, we see the long form of PLC. PLC means a programmable logic controller. Okay, programmable logic controller. So next is definition of PLC. A PLC is an industrial digital computer designed to control manufacturing process or machinery. Why it is an industrial digital computer? It is mainly used in industries like automobile, pharma, food and beverages, chemical industry, oil and gas, and so many industries. So it is used to control manufacturing process or machinery. Then purpose. Why we use PLC? It automates electromechanical process such as control of machines, factory assembly lines. It automates electromechanical process means where in past human beings are involved. So PLC play important role and convert mechanical process into the electromechanical process. For example, earlier it took 5 people to complete the task, but after installation of PLC on the same line, the work is now complete by only 1 or 2 people. Okay. In automobile industry, there are many more assembly lines are there. So our next topic is reliability. Designed for harsh industrial environment, offering high reliability and long service life. In industry, temperature is very high and environment is very dusty. So PLC offer high reliability and long service life. So programming languages. So there are 5 programming languages to program a PLC. Ladder logic, functional block diagram, structured text, sequential functional chart, and instruction list. All industry use mostly about 90% ladder logic language. It is a simple language to program a PLC. Okay. So next is input and output. Input means it receives input from sensors and switches. In Mitsubishi PLC, input represent X0. In incoming lectures, we program a Mitsubishi PLC, so there is X0 is present. Okay, and output means the PLC it sends output to actuator like motor, valve, and light. In Mitsubishi PLC, output represent Y0. Popular brands in PLC. So there are 5 popular brands: Mitsubishi PLC, Siemens PLC, Allen Bradley PLC, Schneider Electric PLC, Omron PLC. Mitsubishi is a Japanese brand, Siemens is German brand, Allen Bradley is United States, and Schneider Electric is a France, and Omron is a Japan. Thank you.